बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रब्बिश रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी. Warm welcome to all of my lovers, followers, subscribers. Today, 27th of Ramadan, I am at very important place, Bahauddin Zikriya Rahmatullah alayh, the famous tomb, the famous saint. Definitely, Multan is recognized by. Tonight I am here. Here the people are praying. Just I want to show you guys, and I am here on this place, and I consider myself very much lucky that today I am here and interacting with you. So guys, just one important message: all these prayers, all these submissions to God, just then it is going to be acceptable when we are caring for our surroundings, the people who need us, the people who are calling us, until we are caring for them. Long live Pakistan.